What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video, we are going to be playing the Chase Roulette game. Soda edition. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be cracking 3 Funko sodas, 3 All Might Funko sodas. We're also going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned to the very end of the video for more details on that giveaway. But wait, there is more. I'm going to be giving away one of these All Might sodas, and I'm also going to be giving away a Deku soda. 2 sodas, 1 lucky winner. I hope we get a chase. 1 soda, 2 sodas, and 3 sodas. There is the soda right there. It is the All Might soda, limited to 20,000 pieces. There is the All Might right there, and I think the chase is a glow in the dark. Got this open. Let's pop that open. We're going to look at the, we're not going to look at the POC. We're going to just leave that there. We're going to actually look at the figure and see if we got a chase. Hopefully we got the chase. Slice it open. Alright, so the chase is glow in the dark, so hopefully we got the chase. Alright, so this just looks like a regular, normal All Might, so I'm not sure if this one's the chase or not. No, it is not a chase. There we go, right there. Will we get it on this one right here? That was pretty easy to open. Alright, so second soda. Hopefully we got the All Might chase. Definitely want that chase. Alright, is this the glow in the dark one? Let's hope so. Alright, so it does not look like the chase. It looks like the same one. We will confirm it right now. Yep, it is just a common. So that leaves me with 1 more soda, and that tells me that this one is the chase. So we got the last All Might soda here. Hopefully it is a chase. For all the money in the bag. 1 more soda. Let's hope it's the chase. We want it to be the chase. Alright, there we go. There's that. If it is not the chase, I will be getting more of these sodas. I should have just went ahead and bought a case and got the guaranteed chase, but that's not how we do it. We want to play the Chase Roulette game. We want to do a little giveaway, so yeah, might as well. Please let it be the chase. I definitely want it. I definitely want the chase. Alright, so I don't think this is the chase either. It doesn't look very chase-like right there. There it is right there. I don't think it's the chase. Is that the right one? I don't think so. Yeah, it is not the chase. Womp, womp, womp. There's going to be 2 sodas. 1 lucky winner is going to win both of these sodas right here. We got a common Deku and a common All Might. In order to enter this giveaway, all you got to do is be subscribed to this YouTube channel, leave a like on this video, go to my Instagram, it'll be in the description, follow me on Instagram, and like the photo of these 2 cans. There will be a photo of these cans pictured on Instagram. Make sure you hit that like on there. Somewhere in your comment, make sure you use your Instagram name, because that's how I'll be contacting the winner. And you gotta have a US address. You don't have to live in the US, you just have to have a US address to where I can send these figures to you. There you go. There we have the Chase Roulette game and the giveaway. Forgot to mention, I'm going to be running this giveaway till the end of September. So the last day in September, I will be picking my winner. I'll be using your Instagram name. So be sure to remember, subscribe to YouTube, leave a like on YouTube, leave a comment on YouTube, and somewhere in your comment, be sure to hit that, or be sure to leave your Instagram name, because that's how I'll be contacting you, through Instagram. Go to Instagram, like the photo of the 2 cans, Simple, easy, and remember, you gotta have a US address so I can send this to you. That's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.